Welcome to Buddy's Play World, where every day is a play day. Hello, little friends. Today, we're going on a fun ride to learn about vehicles. Let's go. Here's a small vehicle with 2 wheels. You use your feet to pedal it. Do you know what this is called? It's a bicycle. This one is fast and goes vroom on the road. It has 2 wheels too, but it needs fuel. What do you think it is? It's a motorbike. This is a car. Families use it to go shopping or visit friends. Can you say car? Excellent. This one is bigger than a car. It takes many people from one place to another. What's this big vehicle called? A bus. Good job. Here comes a long train. It moves on tracks and carries people and goods. Can you say the word? Train. Great job. Wow, this one flies way up high. It takes people across cities and countries. Do you know what it is? It's an aeroplane. Excellent. This one doesn't drive on roads. It floats on water and can take us across rivers and lakes. What do you call this? It's a boat. This red truck helps firefighters. They use it to put out fires and help people. Can you say its name? Fire truck. Here's a police car. It helps keep everyone safe and follow the rules. Can you say police car? Police car. Great job! The ambulance helps people who are hurt or sick. It takes them to the hospital fast. Can you say ambulance? Ambulance! Excellent! Wow, we saw so many amazing vehicles today. Great job, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.